एसएससी सीजीएल के लिए 50 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो 2025 में ज़रूर आएंगे। तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हम लोग इसे पढ़ते हैं। सो हिस्ट्री से 10 क्वेश्चंस हैं। सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ मौर्य एम्पायर? आंसर इज चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य. Second question is in which year did the Battle of Plassey take place? Answer is 1757. Next question is who was the first Governor General of India? Answer is Warren Hastings. Next question is which movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1920? Answer is non-cooperation movement. Next question is the Indus Valley civilization was primarily located in which modern day country? Answer is India and Pakistan. Next question is who wrote the famous book Arthashastra? Answer is Kautilya Chanakya. Next question is which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? Answer is Shah Jahan. Next question is the Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred in which city? Answer is Amritsar. Next question is who was the last victor of India? Answer is Lord Mountbatten. Next question is which dynasty ruled India during the Delhi Sultanate's slave dynasty? Answer is Mamluk dynasty. अब कुछ क्वेश्चंस ज्योग्राफी से हैं. 10 क्वेश्चंस. So question is which is the longest river in India? Ganga. Next question is what is the highest peak in India? Kanchenjunga. Next question is which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Answer is Kerala. Next question is the Tropic of Capricorn passes through how many Indian states? Answer is 8. Next question is which is the largest desert in India? The answer is Thar Desert. Next question is which India state has the longest coastline? Answer is Gujarat. Next question is what is the capital of Lakshadweep? Answer is Kaveri. Next question is which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? Answer is Koshi River. Next question is which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Answer is Uller Lake. Next question is which Indian state is known for the Sundarbans mangrove forest? Answer is West Bengal. अब 10 questions पॉलिटी से पढ़ते हैं. ओके. So our question is who is the current president of India as of May 2025? Please note it, as of May 2025, and answer is Draupadi Murmu. Next question is how many members are there in Rajya Sabha? Answer is 245, and please note it, 233 elected plus 2 nominated people. Next question is which article of the Indian Constitution deal with fundamental rights? Answer is Articles 12 to 35. Next question is who appoints the Chief Justice of India? Answer is President of India. Next question is what is the minimum age to become a member of Parliament in Lok Sabha? Answer is 25 years. Please note it. 25 years become a member of Parliament in the Lok Sabha. Okay. Next question is which schedule of the Indian Constitution considers the list of states and union territories? Answer is first schedule. Next question is who is the current Prime Minister of India as of May 2025? Answer is Narendra Modi. Next question is which article provides for the formation of new states? Answer is Article 3. Next question is what is the tenure of Rajya Sabha member? Answer is 6 years. Next question is which body conducts elections in India? Answer is Election Commission of India. अब 5 questions economics से पढ़ते हैं. So our question is what is the current repo rate set by the Reserve Bank of India as of early 2025? Answer is 6.5%. Note it, please. Verify the latest rate closer to the exam date. RBI official website. Next question is which 5-year plan is India following in 2025? Answer is no 5-year plans. Next question is what is the full form of GST? Answer is goods and services tax. Next question is which organization replaced the planning commission in India? Answer is NITI Ayug. Next question is, which is the currency of Japan? Answer is yen. अब जनरल क्वेश्चन से 10 क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं. सो अब फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, सॉरी, 36 नंबर क्वेश्चन. सो our question is, what is the chemical formula of water? Answer is H2O. Next question is, which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Answer is nitrogen. Next question is, what is the powerhouse of the cell? Answer is mitochondria. Next question is, which planet is known as the red planet? Answer is Mars. Next question is, what is the SI unit of electric current? Answer is ampere. Next question is, which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? Answer is vitamin C. So next question is, what is the main source of energy of Earth climate system? Answer is sun. Next question is, which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect? Answer is carbon dioxide, in short form CO2. Next question is, what is the hardest natural substance known? Answer is diamond. Next question is, which part of the human body is affected of Alzheimer disease? Answer is brain. अब करंट अफेयर से 5 क्वेश्चंस को रिवाइज करते हैं. सो question number 46. So our question is, which country hosted the G20 summit in 2024? Answer is Brazil. Next question is, who won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2024? Nihon Hideaki, Japanese Organization for Atomic Bomb Survivors. Next question is, what is the name India's first managed space mission planned for 2025? Answer is Gagagyan. Next question is, which Indian city hosted the 2024 Commonwealth Games? Answer is no Commonwealth Games in 2024. Check for 2026 updates. Next question is, who is the current Chief Election Commissioner of India as of May 2025? Answer is Rajiv Kumar. सो रुको रुको, अभी जाना मत. आई होप कि आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा हो, इसे आप अच्छे से समझे हो, तो आपके फ्रेंड्स और जिन्हें भी आप जानते हो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं, आप उन्हें शेयर करें. और पढ़ो और बड़ों को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. और हाँ, जा रहे हो तो लाइक करते हुए जाना. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.